D2DNY Real World HVAC Simplified. And now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to relight or how to light your hot water heater pilot light. Okay, but before getting into the video, I want you to go ahead and subscribe if you hadn't subscribed, and smash that bell icon so when I upload videos like these you get them right away. So here we go. So right now there's no indicator light, the light is not flashing, nothing, it's dead. And it says here the light should be flashing blue if everything is okay for normal operation. So right now the status light is not flashing at all, no flash, which means either we are off or perhaps something is not okay. But nonetheless, we are off, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn this thing to pilot. As you can see, pilot. Okay, that's how you light that, because that's how you're gonna light your pilot. If you turn, let's just say you're over here or anywhere over here on your set temperature set points, anywhere along the set points, temperature settings, you're on the low, you're on vacation mode, all right, vacation mode, or you are on low, hot, A, B, C, whatever, right? If you're over there and you're not seeing this status light flashing blue, right, one flash, that's blue, that's normal operation. If you're not seeing that, or even if you're seeing any of the red flashes, suppose you're seeing two of the two red flashes, that could simply mean that your pilot light is not lit or the voltage is low. So you're gonna have to turn it back from wherever you have it, turn your dial back, bring it back to pilot. So once you're in pilot, you're able to depress it. Right, you see that? You're able to depress it. If you're over here, anywhere along here, you can't depress it. You can't go in. So it has to be on pilot. If it's on off, you also can't depress it. So you gotta make sure you turn it to pilot. Put that aligned with the pilot, the dial. Then you can see you can fully depress it. All right, anywhere else it ain't going in. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so then what you want to do, you want to depress the dial, depress it, and while depressing it you want to push this button right here, and push that button. Okay, you see that's the spark. And so sometimes this button is going to be different based on the manufacturer, but you can see the little electric symbol or electric shock symbol. It won't shock you, but this is the button you got to press. You got to hold this down, as you see I'm doing right now, because by doing that the gas is flowing into the burner. And once you press that, then you're gonna see your light over here flashing. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so there you go. So you can see my blue light, or the blue light flashing. So now you can release. Okay, now here's a tip. Notice how I was holding down this dial for about 30 to 45 seconds before pushing the ignition or the ignite button, right? And the reason why is because sometimes there might be air in the liner and air in the pilot tube. This tube right here bring the gas into the pilot assembly or the pilot head in the burner. I'm gonna open this thing right here. I suppose you could see it. Yeah, you could. I don't want to do all of that, but just want to show you guys if you're interested in seeing that. This is real world HVAC. Let me put this light out. Here's your pilot. Okay. So yeah, so the reason why you might want to hold this down a bit longer, you know, hold it down for 1 minute before pressing your ignite switch or ignite button. Also, another tip, don't press this ridiculously like 10-20 times. I would say the max times you're going to press this, the ignite switch or button, I would say 4 times. After 4 times you press it, just keep holding your dial down, right? Keep holding your dial down until you see the light. You know, it should take about a minute the most. So you hold this down first, like you see I did. Hold this down first, hold the knob down first, the dial down first. Then while holding it down, 30 seconds to a minute later, give this 4 press and keep holding it until you see your light flashing. That's it. Now, you don't want to press this too many times because this is there's a battery, or I don't think it's a battery. Is it a battery? I don't know. Because I don't know. I think this thing could wear this thing that makes it spark could wear out. And if you keep pressing it, then you're gonna wear it out, and then now you're screwed, right? So just 4 presses. If there's gas flowing and everything is okay, this thing will work. Don't need to press this 100 times. If you do 4 presses and follow the steps that I outlined in this video, and then it didn't light up, you didn't get your blue light, then you want to stop, start over. After 2 or 3 tries, doesn't work, then you have to call a pro because something else is going on here. All right, if you like this video, again, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead now and turn this bad boy on. Just fire it up. Let's see. Yeah, baby. That's what you want to see right there. And that's how you light your hot water heater pilot light. Okay.